This is one of the Dyson handheld vacuum cleaners, and the issue with it is basically after, I don't know, 30 seconds of use, the battery will end up dying. So I have a replacement battery that's warranted through Dyson. Yeah, I don't even know if that was 30 seconds. And then the light would flash. So this has been charging for, I don't know, overnight pretty much. It still doesn't work. So in this video I'm going to show you how to actually replace the battery that's on this vacuum cleaner. So the first thing you actually want to do is just make sure you remove any accessories that are on it. This is the short one. And then you want to empty out the actual trash in here before we start removing the battery. So I'm going to go remove the trash from it, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I emptied out the vacuum cleaner from the canister here, and I just actually put down some, like a ripped up paper bag, just to kind of catch all the debris, since I'm doing this on the table. You can do it on the table, or you can do it on the floor, whatever is easier, but it's easier to record it. And then there's two screws here in between the battery and the canister that holds the trash. So you just want to use like a small pointed Phillips screwdriver. So you remove those two screws. Point it to the camera so you can see it. So there's one right here. You see it. That one is one. And then there's one down here. Like that. So then once you remove those two screws, so once you remove the two screws that are in between the canister and the battery, there's going to be another screw on the back side of the handle here on the top, and that one actually has a washer behind it, so you want to keep that one in mind to put that one back in with the one in the back of the handle versus the one that doesn't have a washer. Like, it's hard to see because my camera is really not that good. But then once you do that, the battery literally just slips right out. So it just comes right out like it's like a, I guess a removable battery from a drill or something. So then in here is the new Dyson battery that they warranty. So I'll probably put a link below to where we went on to the website to contact customer service, and then you could basically talk to customer service and see if it's warranted. So just open up the box. New battery comes right out like this. Packaged so nice and neat. So new, old. And make sure you do recycle these correctly. Just don't throw them in your trash. You have to probably bring them to your local dump to recycle it properly. So then, same thing, we're doing the backwater. Click it in. Take the screw that has the actual washer on it. to put it into the back side. Don't over tighten it too much. You don't have to tighten it too much because it's actually just a screw going into plastic. And you gotta do these last two ones. And I found it easy with the actual lid open to get them back in or get access to them. Down. Close it. Yeah. So this one has to be charged. It's been sitting in the box for a while, but that's how you do it. Put it back on your attachment, and then just put it to charge. So I'm gonna let this charge for a while, and then I'm gonna come back and do a recording just to show you that this thing could actually vacuum more than the 15 seconds, 20 seconds that this old battery was able to do it. All right. So, here's the Dyson that we worked on yesterday. Put the new battery in. Here's the old one. So, I'm going to just vacuum for, I don't know, over 30 seconds. Because yesterday it didn't even last for 30 seconds. Look at that. Perfect. Hope you liked the video, and I'll make some more videos in the future about just random things I do. Fixing things around the house, fixing phones, fixing cars, computer tutorials and stuff like that. Thank you for watching. I hope you give me a like and subscribe. Bye bye.